how to change your Regions Bank online banking password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to update your Regions Bank password for extra security, well, here is how you can do it online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply click on your profile icon or go to the account settings. And there you simply have to select security settings and then change password. And once you do that, you have to enter your current password and then type your new password and confirm it. And with that, make sure that your new password is strong with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. And once you're done with it, you can just click save or update to apply the changes immediately. And that's it. That's how you can change your Regions Bank online banking password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.